Hey guys, and welcome to the fam. My name's Devin.
I'm Tam.
And today for Songbird Saturdays, we're gonna do Weekend in New England. I mean, we are in New England in the United States.
We are.
So hey, this song could relate to us since it's a weekend in New England.
This song's for us.
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna analyze the lyrics and see if that weekend in New England matches with our typical weekends. But with that being said, thank you guys for suggesting this in the comments section. Thank you guys for coming for another Regine Songbird Saturdays.
Keep coming.
And let's get into this.
Wait, is this Barry Manilow? This is Barry Manilow. I never knew that this was what this song was called. Okay.
Guys, we apologize for the quality. We didn't know this annoying thing would be popping up on the screen, but it is there, so bear with us. I've seen Regine with that hairstyle before. So.
Yeah, I agree. It's a cute hairstyle for her.
It's different.
Really, really good.
She's done a few Barry songs, right?
Has she?
I believe so. Oh. Wow. It's possible his songs really do work for her. Like, she's just a big fan. Wow.
Woo! Oh, wow, Regine. Okay.
Wow. Oh,
Wow. Wow. That was awesome.
Wow.
I actually like that version, her version, better than
the original?
Yes, I do. I do.
Wow.
And I can't tell you how many times I've heard that Barry Manilow song and never knew that that's what it was called. But it was always a nice song. But yeah, she made me like that song even more.
Wow.
Great job, Regine.
Oh, great job, Regine, and thank you guys for suggesting that in the comments section.
And I don't know what that had to do with New England other than he must have met somebody in New England. There must be a love story there somewhere.
Something like that.
A weekend in New England.
Oh, well, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more, as we will be seeing you next Saturday, hopefully. And leave suggestions, thumbs up the ones you want to see. And have a great Saturday, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend as well.